Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, I typically do Dollar Tree related videos. If you like that kind of thing, please check me out and subscribe. So I just posted a video this week of a Dollar Tree shop with me where I show a bunch of the new Thanksgiving kinds of items, Thanksgiving/fall. So far, the only item I bought was this mason jar wall art. These colors totally fit our decor, and I love how they have a little ribbon at the top with a metallic covering to replicate the lid. I've used the Dollar Tree cooling racks before, and they do work just fine. They are a bit on the short side compared to other cooling racks you could buy. But I recently did a project where I took rocks and covered them with epoxy, not realizing I needed some sort of drip tray. So I ended up using 2 of these as a drip tray, and obviously I can't use those with food anymore, so I needed 2 more to replace them. Our anniversary is coming up, and just as a little treat, I bought my husband some Reese's Pieces. Those are one of his favorite candies. I've never given the spaghetti a try. It's the So Natural gluten-free, and I mentioned that I have been loving this soap. I know it's been at the Dollar Tree for a little while now. It seems like, though, in our Dollar Trees, the supply is kind of dwindling. So then I went into Kroger and Target, and it turns out they don't have this. So I don't know whether Clorox has discontinued this line of products, or was this at the Dollar Tree because there was surplus? I don't know, but I hope in general Clorox did not discontinue this brand because I really, really like the scent. We are taking one final vacation hurrah before school starts. So I bought a few items for vacay. One of them is the Suddenly pasta salad. This is the classic. I usually throw in some veggies in there and sometimes beans. Some Betty Crocker lemon cookie mix, and the brittle mix will probably only end up making one of these because we'll only be on vacation for like 5 days. We won't be gone for very long. And we'll also bring the Betty Crocker complete buttermilk pancake mix. Speaking of breakfast, I found a bunch of the big family size cereals by General Mills. This one is the multigrain Cheerios with real strawberries. And then we had 2 more of these boxes, but they're already gone. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch Chocolate Churros. These are pretty good, but not so much to snack on and more as just regular cereal with milk. Keep an eye out too, because in my Dollar Tree, they had the regular sizes of these cereals. And obviously, if you want a better value, get the family size ones. These don't expire for a little while. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch in December of this year, and then the Cheerios in January of next year. Sometimes on Sundays, we have these French toast sticks. This is a small portion, yes, but it is perfect for us because then we don't overeat on the French toast, and it's just a little side to some eggs or veggie scrambles. Some Life Water. Whenever Dollar Tree has Life Water, I'll pretty much buy it. And I don't think I've tried the LA's Totally Awesome Window Clean Solution. This is a glass and surface cleaner. Oh, and one more food product. These Mamba. Have you had these recently? I remember just loving these as a kid. My mom would get these sometimes after a doctor's appointment or something like that. And I just remember it being such a fun treat. Also bought some disinfecting wipes to take on our little vacation. This is a 30-pack of the All Clear multi-purpose everyday cleaning disinfecting wipes. A while back, I showed that we bought the Anna version of this Frozen 2 mold and play 3D figure maker. Decided to get the Elsa one, and also for my daughter. She has been super into Legos again. She loves the stop motion videos on YouTube. They are just so stinking adorable. And we're trying to teach her how to make those stop motion videos. There's apps that you can use on the iPad or other things. As you probably know, Dollar Tree has a whole bunch of different colors of these base plates. And in addition to those, to just kind of supplement the Legos that she already has, I bought the Windows and Doors collection and the Farm Center. This is what the farm center looks like. I have always been a fan of their educational posters. Back when I was originally posting, I showed pictures of our toddler learning area, about how Dollar Tree has tons of items that you can use as manipulatives, and some beautiful posters that you could put in a little learning area for your child. Nowadays, my daughter's toddler area is no longer in existence, but we like to use these posters sometimes in the bathroom. So even as she's brushing her teeth or going potty, she can see these posters right in front of her. So one poster is of fractions and place values, and then the other is of nouns and adjectives. I also showed in recent videos a bunch of the calendars that they have, and usually from the Dollar Tree I get the calendars that are related to farm stands, farmers markets with really cute quotes on them. This year I decided to have a little bit more of a religious theme. One of these will be going to my mom, the other I will keep for myself. I like to keep one upstairs to associate with some health goals that I have for myself. The one downstairs will be this adorable puppy one. Look how stinking cute. We still and probably always will miss our dear little Sophie, who passed away during the pandemic. And yeah, just seeing puppies that even don't look like her at all, we just think about her and the good memories that we had. She was a Cavalier, and she, as a puppy, probably looked somewhere in between these two dogs. Anyway, that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know what goodies you found, and if you have been buying some of the Thanksgiving items. I've noticed more and more of the Halloween items come out. It's kind of funny because it seemed like the Thanksgiving items came out first in my Dollar Tree. But yeah, it'll all be out, and eventually we'll take over the school supplies sections in the next few weeks, I'm sure. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.